jalapeno cheese-filled pretzel 9/10. Shrimp po' boy, 6 out of 10. Corn chowder 6/10. Cold brew black coffee 10/10. Clam chowder 10/10. Corn chowder could never. Lobster roll 7/10. Mint julep 10/10. Beignets 10/10. Onion rings and fries 8/10. Raya sandwich 6/10. Mozzarella sticks. Fish and chips 7 out of 10. Mickey sugar cookie 3 out of 10. Cave 5.
Here's everything we ate in day 1 of Disney. We started off with pulled pork nachos by the pool. Of course, we had to get the refillable cup. At night, we went to Epcot for the Food and Garden Festival, where we got lamb kofta and Mediterranean flatbread, as well as 3 different flavors of arepas. And then we ended the night with a little pomegranate hard cider.
Everything we ate at Disney Plus prices. Chicken chopped salad 9/10. Good salad. Jolly Holiday Macaron 7/10. Pretty sweet. Pineapple mango Dole Whip 12/10. Always yummy. GCH salmon salad 16,251 Best salad. Ice cream cookie sandwich. Mom, 10/10. Tucson chicken salad, 8/10. Alright salad. Tucson shrimp salad. Mom, 7/10. Mint chocolate chip. Ice cream, 10/10. A staple in credit cookie, 9/10. Grilled chicken salad $11.99. 7 out of 10. Poultry Palace $10 and yummy 9 cents.
This is everything I ate at Disneyland. So starting off, we had to get a pickle dog. It's a corn dog, but with the pickle, and you dip it into peanut butter. It was literally all my cravings into one. The best thing ever. They gave you some Lay's chips. We had those, and then got cinnamon coated Wetzel's Pretzels bites. These are freaking unreal. Anyway, we went to a Star Wars themed bar next, which was epic. It looked exactly like the movie. I got a jet juice. We then got the iconic turkey leg, which was bigger than Tim's head. It was falling off the bone. Got a margarita and then an ice cream.
That was the Cable Car Bake Shop on Main Street for 30th anniversary muffin and hot chocolate. It was teeny tiny and full of sugar, which was awesome to start the day off with. Then we got some more sugar from the Rocket Cafe in Discoveryland with the Stormtrooper waffle. A little bit of savoury stuff from Walt Disney Studios with the tartiflette and saucy song. And then into the pizzeria in Fantasyland for Mickey shaped pizza. Full of cheese, full of calories, but totally worth it because it was shaped like Mickey. Then went and got these really cool milkshakes from Victoria's on Main Street. Sat next to the window to see the castle. Only got them because they looked like Mickey and had a cake on top, which was epic. Saw these cool macaroons. Then a mini shortbread from the Disney Village. Again, full of sugar, couldn't finish the whole thing. And then I went and got these desserts from Downtown Restaurant in the Marvel Hotel. There's a teeny tiny Groot. Felt a bit bad for eating him, but hey. And then there's Minnie. So yeah, day full of sugar.
Rating everything I ate at Disneyland.
Well, my mama told me don't lose you, 'cause the best luck I had was you. And I know one.
Rating everything we ate at Disneyland. Spicy pickle 7/10 juicy. Mint julep so refreshing 8/10. Mickey beignets so good 10 out of 10 with the sauce. Cocktail W mango flavored boba 5/10 to sweet. Impossible meatball pasta and pretzel with cheese I drool 10/10 so good. Beer 7/10. Corn dog 10/10. Plain chowder to creamy but good 6/10. What I eat in a day at Disney. Avocado toast. Fried cinnamon roll bites. Arepas. Coconut tres leches. Citrus Dole Whip. Honey chicken flatbread. Buffalo chicken chips. Chocolate Oreo pudding.